is Captain Future requesting apology.
Shh. All brought to you by Cornelius Robinson. Yep. 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 My dad. He's an incredibly talented inventor. Some even call him the founder of the future. That's his motto.
Yeah. You know, Dad failed way more times than he succeeded, but he kept going and never gave up. And neither should you. And that's why you're gonna go back to the science fair and fix your memory scanner. Seeing your mom isn't the answer to this. That's in the past. Your future is with the memory scanner. Just as I feared, the ship is almost out of fuel. We got a code red on our hands. Soldier, I don't have time to explain every last detail to you. We need to get this puppy back to my house pronto. Carl, this is serious. You haven't told anybody about that, have you? Great.